If you need to upscale images in Photoshop without losing quality, this is the easiest and most reliable way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to use Photoshop's image size tool with Preserve Details 2.0 so you can make your image larger while keeping as much sharpness and detail as possible. This is perfect for thumbnails, prints, client work, or any design where you need a bigger image fast. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image file in Photoshop. Once the image is loaded on your canvas, look up at the top menu bar and click Image, then choose Image Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+I on Windows or Command+Option+I on Mac. That opens the image size window, which is where we're going to increase the image dimensions. Now, before you change anything, make sure the link icon between width and height is turned on. This is really important because it locks the aspect ratio. That means when you increase the width, Photoshop automatically increases the height by the correct amount, so your image doesn't get stretched or distorted. Next, look at the measurement boxes. If they're set to pixels, change them to %. This makes it easier to scale the image in a simple, controlled way. For example, if you want to double the size, type 200%. If you want a smaller increase, you can use something like 125% or 150%, depending on the result you want. Now go down to the Resample drop-down menu. This is one of the most important parts of the process. Instead of leaving it on automatic, change it to Preserve Details 2.0. This tells Photoshop to use its smarter upsampling algorithm to add pixels in a way that maintains edge detail much better than basic resizing. After you select Preserve Details 2.0, you'll notice a Reduce Noise slider appear underneath. This slider helps clean up the image as it gets enlarged. If your file is a JPEG and you can see compression artifacts, you can drag the slider to the right to smooth those out a little. If your image is already clean and you want to keep the edges as sharp as possible, move the slider to the left. A small adjustment can make a big difference, so take your time and preview the result. Once everything looks right, click OK. Photoshop will now process the upscale and calculate the new size using the settings you chose. Depending on the size of the image and your computer speed, this may take a moment. After the resize is complete, zoom in and inspect the image closely. Look at the edges, text, fine details, and any areas that were already soft or noisy. The goal is to make sure the image still looks natural and usable at the larger size. If needed, you can always undo and try a slightly different percentage or noise setting to get a better result. This workflow is especially useful when you're working with an image that's already open on your active canvas and you want to increase its dimensions directly without going through extra steps. It's one of the fastest ways to make an image bigger in Photoshop while preserving as much quality as possible. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.